Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just have some cleaning motivation for you along with birthday party preparation for my son Lucas. Hopefully this will give you guys some motivation to do some cleaning of your own and give you some ideas when it comes to decorating. This is very simple decorating, but I'm hoping that you guys will get a good laugh out of it as well. Because some of it was kind of a struggle. So let's go ahead and get on into this. So my stove was a complete mess. Everything was sticking to it, so I scrubbed it down with the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleaner and the Method all-purpose cleaner, and I ended up having to go back later on and cleaning it again because it was all streaky from making the cake. My cat is also extremely spoiled. She will not eat unless I put wet cat food in there. As you can see, my sink was a disgusting mess from the day, from cooking and baking the cake and miscellaneous items as well. My garbage disposal actually got clogged, so that's why I had to stick my hand down there, and I actually found a coffee stir stick and multiple pieces of a popsicle wrapper. can see, my table was also a disaster from the day. A bunch of random stuff that does not even belong in the kitchen was on my table. So I went ahead and cleared that off and then wiped it down with the Method All-Purpose Pink Grapefruit Cleaner. So my first step into the simple decorating I was going for was just getting out the plates, the soup cups, and the Thomas the Train napkins. I'm also wiping down the wall as well. I don't think I've ever done that before, which is kind of gross. But hey. Anyway, so there was a lot of like caked on food and everything on there as well. And then after I got the wall wiped down, I started trying to put up the banner. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I'll just let you be entertained by my struggles here. I finally got it up, and it's gonna stay there forever probably because I do not ever want to deal with it again. Okay, so that banner was probably the most frustrating thing of the day. It was just a lot longer than I thought it was. So now I'm just wiping down my appliances with my Weimans stainless steel cleaner. And Emma decided to come and join me and comfort me and intently watch me. If you can see her little head bobbing up and down to the rhythm of the rag as well. And then in comes Lucas with his train whistle. He just learned how to do it. So it's just kind of funny. And then he has to have me do it every once in a while as well, as you will see. So for cleaning my glass, I use Clear Power 12 times concentrated from Melaleuca. It comes in a little bottle, and then you just mix it into one of the spray bottles that they sell as well. I use this for all of my glass. It is the best product that I have found to work, and you can just use paper towels, or I prefer microfiber towels. On this specific day, I actually ran out. I really needed to do laundry. So I had to settle with paper towels. So here I am just putting up the streamers for the party. This worked a lot better than that banner did in this area, obviously, just because I could customize the size a little bit more. And then I put these little twirly things with Thomas-themed pictures on the end. By the way, popcorn sealing is horrible for taping things onto, in case you guys are ever wondering. So moving on to the living room. As you can see, it was a mess, scattered with all kinds of toys, which is a daily occurrence around this house. And honestly, sometimes I think Emma is worse than Lucas when it comes to toys. As you can see, she's carrying around one of her BarkBox favorites. There was bones scattered all over the place. There was also just like stuffed in the corners. There was also more stuffed toys that came from BarkBox as well. So she scatters her toys just as much as Lucas does. As part of the decorations for Lucas's birthday, I am just filling out this homemade chalkboard, birthday chalkboard with his name and some information about him to kind of let other people know how much he's grown as well, and then I just hang it up on the wall. Alright guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button down below as well for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye!